HEIC photos from Apple devices save space, but can be hard to print due to compatibility issues. In this video, learn how to convert HEIC to JPG or N for easy printing on both Windows and Mac. Follow our simple steps to keep your images looking great. Part 1. Why can't I print HEIC files directly? Limited compatibility, new and proprietary format, licensing issues, industry standards. Part 2. How to print HEIC photos on Windows or Mac. Step 1. Convert HEIC photos to JPG on PC or Mac without losing quality. Easily convert HEIC to JPG with Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. It's fast and efficient on any computer. Follow these steps for smooth conversion before printing. How to convert HEIC files to JPG or JPG in Windows or Mac via HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Download and install the HEIC converter. Connect your device via USB if needed. Step 2. Click Add HEIC or drag images into the program. Locate photos in this PC device, name internal storage DSIM. Step 3. Your HEIC pictures will be displayed on the program interface. Select the ones you wish to convert. Pick the output format JPG JPEG. Indicate your preference for Keep EXIF data and set the output path. Step 4. Click Convert to initiate the HEIC to JPG, JPEG, or N conversion. Once completed, use the Open Folder option to view your converted photos. Step 2. Print HEIC photos on Windows or Mac using shortcut keys and other ways. Windows OS. Method 1. Shortcut key. Open the file. Press Ctrl+P. Click Print. Method 2. Native Image Viewer. Double-click the image. Click the three dots, select Print, adjust settings, and click Print. Mac OS. Method 1. Shortcut key. Open the image, press Command+P, click the print icon. Method 2. File menu. Open the image, click File, select Print, adjust settings, and click Print.